Hello friends, it's Ada's Recipes here. Thank you so much for stopping by. How are you guys doing today? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make simple Nigerian buns. This buns is crunchy and easy to make. Continue watching as I share with you how to make this. The first thing you're going to do is to sift your all-purpose flour. Then you sift your baking powder. Add sugar, salt, cinnamon powder. Then you combine the dry ingredients together. Next, you add your margarine and rub the margarine in the flour. So this is how it will look like, right? So here we have blended fresh pepper and onion. Add it. Then you add water, cold water. Mix everything together till you get a sticky dough. You can as well add milk in place of water. So here we have our dough. Heat up your oil in a pan. Then you add your buns dough like so. You stir at close intervals. It's done when it is golden brown. So once it's golden brown, you transfer to a paper towel to drain excess oil. So guys, here we have it. Our delicious buns is ready. For the recipe measurement, check the description. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.